He goes to give him something. He knows what this word means. Now listen real carefully. What do you say? Says please. Good boy. Imagine with a beak like that, it's made for cracking big nuts. He cracks Brazil nuts, almonds, filberts,
walnuts.
It's filberts, almonds, Brazil nuts, walnuts, and that's why they have that big beak. Well, that beak, you know, first time I reached my hand into his cage, you gotta have a lot of trust, because that bird has the strength in that beak to take my whole finger off. The bone too. Doesn't like gloves. Again, I got to read him. Every once in a while, the head comes down. He wants to bite me. I just wait and I go, hey, come on. When I go take him off the perch, I'll say, okay, you want to step on the stick or you want the hand? He'll always choose the hand over the stick. The bare hand. He doesn't like sitting on the stick. So, here, step on this hand. This hand needs rest. So again, green macaw, native to South America. What else can he say? Oh, again, I was never told anything this bird could say. Took him in, put him on the bedspread, covered king size bed. I took a tied up dry washcloth, had a knot tied in it, and I threw it to him 5 feet away. He grabbed it in his claw, put it in his beak, and he threw it straight to me. And the second I caught it, he went, catch the ball, whee! I never would have known he could do that if I had thrown him a washcloth. He also makes these sounds where it kind of goes, ba, 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 ba. He does the please thing. And Janelle heard him say a word for the first time about 2 months ago. Just out of the blue, he went, whiplash! I don't know where he got that from. Yeah, Gracie doesn't like it when this bird gets a lot of attention, so you may see those wings go up a little more. So I've saved the, need a little help there? Yeah. Well, we know he doesn't like this, so if you get down there, you may go in here. You already tried? Oh, okay. If it works, go with it, and if it doesn't, try something else. Okay, so this next guy is the largest species of macaw in the world.
Oh my God!
About
still crawling on him.
100 of these in the wild. Come on, son. This is the hyacinth macaw. It has typically a longer, large beak. Because the main thing that he eats is palm nuts and macadamia nuts in the shell. And he cracks those as easily with that beak when he wants to, like you or I would crack a peanut. And I tell you, we're going to have a little contest between Sam and I'm going to pick three of you to come up here. We're going to see who's stronger. Now, I have to tell you 2 things. He's not always fast. He'll sometimes take 4 or 5 minutes to crack a nut. So you're going to use these big, heavy-duty nut crackers over here. Those of you that I picked to do this, I'm going to give you each pair of these to use. Okay? With macadamia nut in the shell. I'm going to show you how to do this, and you're all going to get ready. And then when I hand Sam his, I'm going to say, go. Like I said, sometimes it'll take 4 or 5 minutes, so it's not like he's not giving you a chance. But he's never lost. I take that back. He lost one time to her brother. He not only cracked the nut, he cracked the nutcracker. And these are pretty heavy-duty nutcrackers. I know they're about like 18, 19 bucks at Fred Meyer. The company sent me a dozen. They said, we want pictures of these being used in the contest. I said, okay. I think I've gone through 3 or 4 that are broken now, but But yeah, only one person actually cracked a nut. So these are native to South America. And I'm going to move this right here in the center.
Thank you.
Climb on there. This is Sam. Sam also came from a breeder up in Washugal. So, Janelle, would you like to pick? Now you're going to stand here with Tito. Yeah. Okay, we got 4 of these, all about the same size. So I'm just going to. You want to sit there? Wow, that's the first time he's landed on somebody in that gray hair. You just go through the gray hair, folks in the audience. Okay, so I'm gonna pick 3 of these. So pick 2 girls and 1 guy that like to do this. So how about you? I want you to stand right here. What is your name? Dalton? Okay, take those. Let me show you how to do this. I'll show you all at once. Take the net. And you're going to actually put it in this one, because if you put it in the one up here, it doesn't, there's not much clearance to crack that. So you got to come out into there. And then just like that, and then squeeze that together. Okay, so you're going to get all ready. You can use both hands and squeeze this as hard as you can. But don't squeeze it as hard as you can until I say go. Just kind of hold it in place. Okay? And if it falls out, just put it back in there. Okay. There's the nut. There's the cracker. Tell you what, I'm going to pick a girl, then I'm going to pick a lady to come up and do this too. So you can be the girl. Come on up here. Stay right there. Put that just in like that. Squeeze that together as hard as you can. Try and break that, okay? And if it falls out, just put it back and keep trying. Then I have you come right over here and stand right there. What's your name? Sylvia? Savannah. All right, Savannah. So if you're all ready with that nut, you're all ready. We'll get one more, a lady out of the audience. How about you? And your name? Janelle? Wow, letter Janelle. Okay, so here is that. Get that all ready to go. Squeeze that down. Squeeze that down as hard as you can when I say go. When I give Sam hits. Okay, you guys all ready?
All right.
You ready? You both ready? Okay, so if Sam cracks it before you, then the contest is over.
Okay.
Okay? At some point, he has to lose. I believe this. You ready, Sam? Ready, set, go. Hard as you can.
This is rigged.
No, it's not rigged. He's giving you a chance. He hasn't broke it yet. I know, Sam. They're trying. They're trying.
Try on the tip of it. The tip of it. Oh, not. I didn't mean that.
Come on. No, I can't stand on it. You can break the back of it. Look at both hands. Come on, Sam. You can do it.
You can get to it, Sam.
Oh, thank you.
You want to try it? Okay, come up here. Yeah.
Hard as you can. Come on, guys. He hasn't done it yet. Keep trying.
Out. Almost out of the.
Macadamia nuts.
You buy your
Sam will eat typically 8 to 10 of these in a day. He'll eat usually 5 or 6 Brazil nuts, maybe 5 or 6 filberts, 4 or 5 almonds. But strictly nuts. He's offered fruit and veggies. He'll occasionally eat a piece of apple, but his favorite stuff and the stuff he really eats are the nuts. About 100 pounds of macadamias in a shell at a time, $620. That lasts about 1 year and 4 months for him. And it's probably 95% of his diet. All my birds, about 300 a month. Now ask me how much I pay for people to come over and clean cages in my house.
Not nearly enough.
I got a good deal. $30, it takes 3 hours. It's $10 an hour. And I get to work with the birds in the process. So I gotta tell you, remember, noise, mess, how long they can live. Last year I dated this woman for 3 weeks. After the 3rd weekend, she called me up.
Back away.
She called me up and she said, you know, you have to make a choice. I said, what? She said, you have to make a choice. Then I said, between what? And she said, me or the birds. I went, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now, granted, 30 birds, not a lot of people can handle that. There are moments I need to leave the room too. That's why I built a home theater room separate from where the birds are at. But I love animals. My biggest passion is sharing animals with people like you. So I go to schools, libraries, malls, daycares, assisted living facilities, birthday parties, Oregon State Penitentiary for the guys who don't get out. Well, hey, let's hear it for these guys that
Guy try it? Guy try it? Oh,
It took a long time.